What's up, babies? Wig class 110. Making this big wig on the sewing machine. This wig was so pretty. I love this curl. Like, oh my god, once I'm done with these custom orders, I have got to make me this wig. So these are the 4 bundles that I used. They were 2 22-inch bundles and 2 20-inch bundles. So let's see how I fit all of those on there. Of course, I always double my tracks. I already bleached the knots. If you want to see me if you want to see how I bleach knots, go ahead and click the link above. But here's an up close view of how the tracks look double. I wanted to give you guys a really clear view so that you can see what that looks like. I know a couple of you were asking me how does that look, so here you go, front and back. As I said, I have 4 of these that I doubled, and wham bam, let's pop these onto this cap. And I do place them when I do have a lot of bundles that I want to try to squeeze on the cap. I do put them rather close. Now this does not make the cap bunch up because it's still about a 1/2 inch space left in between each bundle, even though it does not look like it if you open up the hair through the back. Like if she wanted to put it in pigtails, then she could, and her tracks would not be showing whatsoever. So of course my process, pin sew, pin sew, pin sew. And I am going to just go ahead and slow it down a little bit, give you guys a little bit of a sort of a real time of how I do that. Go ahead and watch. as you babes can see, I do place my tracks in the C-shaped form on the bottom, and then they start creating like a U shape a little bit towards the top. This created like a deep U shape because I did not start placing the tracks horizontally further back into the wig. I wanted to finish the cap a little bit more, so the tracks on a little bit more, and just leave a small shape, a small space for me to place my tracks horizontally. Once all my tracks were placed in a U-shaped form, I'm just going to go ahead and place all of the rest of the tracks horizontally. Now on this cap, I didn't have to keep going back and forth on this top part because I left such a small space. I didn't have to worry about the cap outstretching on this last part. So I did check it maybe once or twice, but other than that, it was perfectly fine. That's inside of the cap. Wow, that's a lot of hair. That was a lot of hair I fit on there, and I did place absolutely every single piece of that track onto here. So I'm going to go in with my Smooth and Shine so that I can tame these curls, give them back their shape. Now you guys, you can use leave-in conditioner to do this exact same thing as well, but since mine was so frizzy from me working with it, I needed to use mousse, and it worked so fine. It worked perfectly. Oh, you guys, my freaking camera dropped. But I didn't mind this angle because I was still working. And there she is. Wham, bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, honey. I was so pleased with the outcome. She is so nice, thick, and beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. And as usual, make sure you follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you do not miss absolutely any of my videos. Go ahead and click turn on your notifications so that you know when I'm doing my work. No, just so you know that when all the videos come up. So yeah, follow me. Make sure you're following me. Thank you. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.